couple buddies wanted me to slap this together real quickly, as the manufacturer's YouTube video is not accurate. So this is going to go by rather quickly. However, installing a Raddlock bullet button on a SCAR 17, and I'm sure a SCAR 16 is the same, is very simple. So the first thing you want to do is take a flathead screwdriver, remove this set screw right here. Obviously I've already backed it out, this is in the interest of time. Once you have it, pull that out, wiggle or pry the safety selector off, ensure you protect the finish if you have to pry it off, and then push from this side here over and just wiggle out the entire safety selector mechanism. Try to keep those together. Okay, once you do that, be careful, there is a detent and a spring in there. If it pops out, you can easily put it back in there. So next up is this part. There's a plate right here. Pull back on that and up and just take that out. Okay, what that does is unlocks the hammer pin, which is what we're going to take out next. So hold the hammer, trigger, lower the hammer. Don't let it slam against the polymer. Okay, take a pin, a punch, push it through just like that. Okay, and there's the old hammer pin. Here's the new Raddlock hammer pin. It goes in from left to right. I've already lubed it up. Alright. Just kind of play with it. Get it in there just like that. Okay. Once it's in there, lower the hammer. Put the plate back in. There's a notch right there. Move it forward. Locks that pin back in there. Okay, once you have that in place, now you can go ahead on the left side, insert this right there, line up the hole. The screws, I had already put some Loctite on there. Let's get that started. On the right hand side, you can see exactly where that goes. Once again, line up the holes, ensure there's Loctite on the screw. Okay, there we go. Cinch it down. You don't have to strip the Allen head. You do have Loctite on there. So there we go. Okay, once it's down, you should not be able to press on anything. Okay, let's go ahead and test it real quick, shall we? Here's a magazine. Let's pop it in there. As you can see, it's locked in place. Let's drop it with the tool. Okay, to install the safety selector, I find it easier with the hammer down. Ensure that it's angled in the right direction. Just kind of have to wiggle it a little bit, just like an AR. Once you get it over on the other side, use your thumb to line up the hole, push it in, and there you go. Put the other side on there. Looking at the hole, make sure it lines up. Put some Loctite on the set screw. Flathead screwdriver. Okay. Function test. Thumb. And that's it.